This platform puts power into the hands of the business owner. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chi and I discuss my business journey, I discuss fashion and faith. If that's something you're interested in, then please like, comment and hit the subscribe button, because that's something I need to definitely be saying more. I'm so grateful for all my new subscribers. Honestly, I'm so grateful for you, and thank you to all the subscribers that have been here with me for a while. I read all your comments and I really do appreciate them. Honestly, they make me smile so much. So let's get into the video. You probably know what we're going to be talking about from the title of the video. If you are a small business owner looking to market your brand, but you don't have the budget, then I may have the solution for you. So this particular platform is called the Blogger Program. How I found out actually about this platform was through an influencer that was explaining how she started getting brand collaborations with less than 10,000 followers. So that was how I found out about this platform. So she was discussing it from a content creator's perspective, but I thought, hang on, this is perfect for a business owner. For a business owner, why I find this a really great platform is because as a small brand, you don't always have thousands of pounds to be paying these influencers. This platform allows me to at least get my product in the hands of many people at a minimum cost. So how does it work? Hi guys, so you want to type in thebloggerprogram.com to get onto the platform. Then your email address and your password. You're going to have a bio. I've selected luxury, fashion and jewelry as my 3 categories. Obviously you select yours depending on your business. All opportunities just is basically like all ads, all the adverts you've put up. In my case, I've only used this platform once, so I've only got 1 opportunity there. I've received 24 applications. 14 I accepted, 10 I rejected. Obviously you get the opportunity to review all people that apply for your ad. The envelope just shows the messages from the influencers. So I've got some emails to read. Let's pretend that you've never created an ad and we're starting for the first time. Obviously I've completed mine, but let's create an opportunity. I did a gifting and I needed a minimum of 1k followers. You can book a 15-minute consultation with someone in the Blogger program, the Blogger platform, which we're not going to do now because I've already done that and I found it quite useful. You have a brief page where you explain what your advert is about, the opportunity in a short sentence, and then a further description. You add the link to your product. So if you're trying to push for earrings, you add that there. The campaign goals, is it brand awareness? Is it to drive web traffic, lead generation, or product engagement? Select a campaign goal because it will be measured at the end of the campaign. I'm not quite sure why I didn't talk about the compensation. Compensation will be gifting or paid. You can upload a cover image. I didn't, I used a generic one, and you have your brand logo. So location, you can select your location. I selected America, UK and Ukraine just because that's the 3 locations I was targeting. I think you only have 3, you can only select a maximum of 3. Genders, male, female, you can click both. And you can select the age of your target audience, the age of that you want your influencer to be. And you've got all the different genres. Like I said, I just picked a couple and used the generic GIFs photo for my cover photo. And then it has some house rules and the dates that you want your content to go live. And also the content requirements. So this will be where you select if you want a YouTube posting, an Instagram posting, if you want your influencer to share on Facebook, Twitter, just the web, or TikTok. And then you make that clear. In my case, I selected Instagram. I wanted them to post on Instagram. They were to have a minimum of 1,000 followers, and they were to post one image and one story. Engagement rate, for the purpose of this video, I put 5, but I can't exactly remember the engagement rate I put before. Again, the content live dates, I'm thinking if they receive it next week, then they can post the week after. So I selected, in this case, the 17th to whenever. So they've got a week, 5 days to post. You probably want to give your influencers maybe a little bit longer. The house rules are there, which is quite nice because you don't have to start thinking about this from the top of the head. The blogger platform does this for you. The blogger program does this for you. So this is what your ad looks like. The opportunities are between these dates. You want an influencer within the UK. You're looking for a 1k reach with engagement of 5%, etc. And it will have the house rules really clear for the influencer, so there's no confusion. Everybody's on the same page. It's in writing. This is basically what you can do for your profile. This is the back end of your, this is part of your profile, so you'll have to make this at the beginning. I've already made mine. You can discover influencers, and I suppose you can actually contact them directly. These are some of the influencers already on the platform, which is really great. You can see snapshots of their accounts for really quick decision making. You don't have to scroll through profiles to see what's their engagement rate or how many followers do they have. You don't have to start clicking a link to go to a profile. It's literally there for you, which is really good. So if you want to start filtering out influencers, you can do that. You can order it by most Instagram influencers: Facebook, YouTube, Twitter followers, highest engagement rate, oldest to the youngest. I'm not sure whether that's age or whether that's the newest person that's signed onto the platform. But the influencer filters you can select by country, genres, because as an influencer you have to select your genres when you first log into the website. Genders, you can select female, male, you can select both as well, because sometimes there are some things that are ideal for both sexes. Obviously, influencer name, hashtag, and age ranges. Would you require a blog? Some influencers blog. Do you not require a blog post? And then followers, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, total reach and engagement. You can filter out so many different influencers, which just makes life really straightforward. The blog has articles. I think it's mostly aimed at content creators, to be honest, but you can find this useful as a business owner as well. And there we have it. That is the blogger program agency. It's definitely worth having a good look on there. That is pretty much it, guys. And do you know how much this cost me? 0. So it cost me 0 to advertise, 0 payment to the influencers if you look at it in terms of physical cash. Obviously, when you're gifting influencers, there is an investment there in your products. Your products cost money. However, it's an investment that could gain a lot of reward. So the good thing about gifting is it increases brand awareness, and you're only paying through gifting. You're only paying through the cost of that product. A couple of things to note with this platform. When you're picking an influencer, I found some people would request to work with us on a gifting basis, obviously. However, I would go on their profile and there would be no sign of anything fashion related. There would be like baby bag, pram, and there was nothing in relation to fashion, nothing in relation to accessories. And so I couldn't use those influencers because I couldn't give them a product where their audience, 99% of their audience would probably be there for the baby stuff. So I would definitely scroll through their feed and see if they've posted anything similar. I would look at the quality of their content. I'm looking for really good content quality. The girls that I've worked with have been amazing. The quality ranged from good to outstanding. The outstanding content I got, I was just blown away, and I would love to work with some of those influencers in future as well. This platform puts power into the hands of the business owner, because you can almost test the waters. So you can throw out your product to 10 influencers and be like, do you know what, I love these 3 influencers, I want to work with them again. For me, means an organic relationship. I had lovely emails from some of these girls, and it's not costing you an arm and a leg to do that. I had started creating my profile because it is quite simple. You know, it's not rocket science to work out how it works, but they also give you a consultation with somebody in the agency that goes through how things work. And the person I spoke to informed me that what they do is send out newsletters regularly to their influencers, and what he was going to do for me was going to put my business ad in the newsletter, so that would appeal to more influencers, because they'll get it in their emails and they'll be like, oh, I want to work with the jewellery brand, I'm going to apply. I would have said that this platform would be really good for small products where the shipping's not a lot, and products at a lower price point. And the reason I say that is because it's not costing you too much as a small business to increase brand awareness. I think you find on this particular platform that there will be more micro influencers. I think, based on some of the research I've done, I suspect there's more micro influencers as opposed to people with like million plus followers or 200k plus followers. I could be wrong, but you're more likely to see people with under 10k, maybe under 50k, which is still not bad. It's still not bad. But what I'm saying is, for expensive products, are you willing to put your expensive products into these people's hands for where it may not be seen to as many people as maybe you would have liked? I mean, obviously, my £300 bag, for example, if it's only going to be seen to an audience of 30k as opposed to an audience of 1 million, is it worth my £300 investment? That's where you've got to make a call. You've got to think about cost to benefit ratio. If you do end up using this platform, let me know. I'll be excited to know how you get on. And this is the end of the video. I will speak to you later. Bye guys.